Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Amazon finds and favorites. I don't know why this month I barely post any Amazon videos. I actually know why. It's because I haven't really placed that many orders because I've been obsessed with Temu, but Amazon is still my number one, and today I have so many good things, so many things that honestly you could only find on Amazon. So I'm so excited to get into it. You can check out my Amazon shop for more recommendations and follow me over on my new Instagram. I'll link my shirt down below. It's from H&M, and let's get into it. Oh my god, I cannot believe I haven't talked about this. The car organizer that I got, I mean, I'm on like an organization journey that has been paused because of the renovation. I went in my car and I was so disgusted at like the sight of the amount of trash and things that were in it. I was like, enough is enough. This is what it looked like, and this is what it looks like now with that. And it has so many little compartments. It's so useful. Also, this car trash can, I tried getting one from Temu. It wasn't my favorite. I just went for good old Amazon one, and you just like put in your middle console, and then you have a nice trash can for all your toddler things, and it's just so much better than, you know, the little side door ones. So I really like those two car additions. I really should do like a car revamp or something because my car is always a mess. It has always been a mess, but now with a toddler it's even more of a mess. As I like to say, I guess in every single one of my videos, I am a pink girl. Through and through. Favorite color. Obsessed. And I recently posted this video and I was wearing some pink heels, and heels, and y'all were crazy. Oh my god, where are those from? Where are those from? So the ones in that video were from TJ Maxx, but these are the exact same color, the exact same material, and they're from Amazon. I just checked this morning. They're like $25 and they're so comfy. I've been wearing these for years, I think. I even have them in the nude suede and I wear those a ton. They're a great basic, but these are just so fun. I mean, they just add like the perfect pop of color to an outfit. I love wearing them with white and with black. I think they look so good, and they're perfect for the summer. So if you want to add like a little pop of color to your closet without breaking the bank, get these now. I love this thing so much. I almost want to get like 20 million, but this is a grape slash tomato, which is what we use it for. This cuts my time in half, and I don't have to dirty up, you know, a cutting board and a knife. I can just, this was like $9 on Amazon, and I highly recommend if you have kids. I have to talk about this because I've been buying them for over a year now and I haven't talked about it. And this is a game changer if you have like enlarged pores, clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, acne, whatever. You've probably heard of pimple patches. These are the same idea, but they are no strip. Just apply it at night, you wake up and all the gunk is out of your pores. It's the craziest thing. It's so gross. I try to do this realistically like 3 times a month because these are kind of expensive. I've tried the dupes. This brand is like by far the best. It's called Mighty Hero. They make some for your chin, they make forehead, like so many different shapes, but y'all, these are a game changer. I love buying things that are cute for absolutely no reason. Do I have a million glass straws already? Yes, I do. But I got these from Temu. I already showed y'all. One of them unfortunately did not survive the way here. Just like little turtles, even though my daughter seems to think these are Pio-Pios, which are birds for her. They could be either. I don't care. They're cute. So I went on Amazon because I don't want to risk that happening again, and I bought the hearts version, and they are so cute. And if you're wondering price wise, they're kind of the same thing. On Temu you get 4, on Amazon you get 6 for $9, which is cheap enough. And they have cherries, they have butterflies, flowers, where you're not focusing on my cute little straws camera. Look how cute. Just like makes me happy. If you're on TikTok, you've probably seen at least maybe one of these videos because people went crazy for the Amika round brush because it gives you that like Dyson Airwrap kind of blowout look, but this thing is completely silent. So I was on the hunt for a dupe for the longest time because I can't even review this because I can't even link it because it's sold out everywhere. Of course, I went on Amazon and I started to try out dupes. It's almost like a curling iron where it comes with different heads that are detachable and interchangeable. And y'all, the round brush head on this one is still silent. It heats up the same. If anything, it's hotter, which in my opinion makes it better because it lasts longer. Identical. Like you can see the side by side. Let me move. You can see it side by side. It was crazy to see a difference, especially when the Amazon product is literally like half the price and you get 5 more heads or 4 more heads, and the Amika is $90 something, and like I said, sold out. So if you want that look without breaking the bank, that is a great alternative. I've had this in my save for later in my wish list since 2020. Okay, this one's so viral. My husband saw it and was like, what the heck is that? Like, it's a whisk. I think a Danish whisk, but y'all, game freaking changer. It whisks just as well as, you know, the traditional ones, but nothing, and I mean nothing, gets stuck in here. It immediately drips down. If you're mixing breads, cupcake batter, pancake batter, cake batter, whatever, eggs, anything, it's incredible because you're not losing batter to your spoon. I already had one of these, but you know, as the older I get, I'm approaching 30, I need the handle. I needed it, and honestly this one is such a step up from the one I used to have. I still have that one. I think I'm gonna give it to my mom, but this one tells you the
Please press F to start.
It tells you the battery percentage. It has three power modes. It's really cool and it charges pretty quick. It comes with so many more of the heads and it is expandable. Oh wait, I took the other one off. You can keep adding to it. That way you can clean your shower while standing up and then your hips don't hurt, which is a game changer in my book. So I didn't mention this in my cleaning video because I didn't have it back then, but if you're looking for like an upgraded version, this is it. If you're new to my channel, something happened to me last summer. Something traumatizing, if you will. I'm gonna try to summarize it to not make this rant long and long-winded. Oh my god, my necklace. Off to a great start. Basically, I found a huge spider on my couch, like on top of it. Then we flipped all the couches and we found spider nests. And it's not that we didn't clean the house often, not that we didn't vacuum the couch often, but we were going through a renovation. And after many pest control visits to this household, I learned that as long as you're renovating your house and there's holes or things going on in the house, you will always have a spider issue. According to my guy. We've become pretty close since. But anyway, panicked, got a new couch. It was a long story. The point is, since then, that couch gets looked at by me weekly. But you know what has helped more than me looking at the couch? These things. They are called the Max Catch sticky traps. They're just pest control traps. But this is what it looked like not even a week in, because we are renovating our house still. Long story. I bought like the 100 pack because I change them out every so often. Like if they get too full, I change them out because, you know, I want all the surfaces to be clear, to stick, all the things. You need these, especially in the summer, especially if you hate bugs like I do. I have 2 very random laptop accessories. The first one I think I've talked about, at least in like an unboxing or something. It's this puffy laptop case that I love, not only because aesthetically it's so cool, but also because the cushion, I don't know, protects my laptop. Isn't that cute? Comes in different colors. Honestly, I regret every single day not getting the pink, but I like the beige too. And then the other thing is this. So I had a pretty ugly laptop stand when I was in college, and then I saw that they have this one. It's always on sale, y'all. I think it's like $26, which is pretty cheap for acrylic stuff, and it's like completely adjustable. I'm able to use it, you know, on the kitchen counter, in bed. I think this is really great for your posture, especially if you just work on a laptop. I was cleaning my crafting cabinet and I found this and I started using it for so many random things, and then it reminded me that ever since I got this, I haven't talked about it on my channel, which is a crime, to be perfectly honest. Y'all, this is amazing. Like, who knew that they sold cordless glue guns? Game changer. It is such a game changer. And you know what I've been using them for? You get colored glue sticks and you use them for letters, like wax stamps. So cute, so easy. And honestly, I've been hot glue gunning too many things. My husband will tell you that, but who cares, because it's cordless. The battery lasts forever. I've had this since like November, I think, and I haven't had to charge it once. For crafts, for just life in general, honestly, the fact that it's pink just makes it like 20 million times better. And it comes with so many glue sticks that you probably don't need to buy any. So This is me telling you. I'm sorry I took so long to mention this again. I've gotten so many questions every single time I've posted anything with this chair in the background, especially on my Instagram. I bought it from TJ Maxx years ago and I could never find it again because, you know, TJ Maxx things just sell and they're gone forever. Then Amazon finally put it up on their website. The same brand, the same look, the same manufacturer, and it's $100 less. It is the cutest rattan desk chair. Well, it's like cane, not rattan. It has like the adjustable height and then it has wheels. It looks really nice and clean and pretty, but also it's an office chair so you can like move it around and it's just stunning. So I had to talk about it before, number one, it sells out again, and number two, I forget because so many people always ask me about that chair and it's just so cute and so unique and just 10 out of 10. Another thing that I've had in my save for later for what seems like years, but it's probably been a few months, this. I really like the Bum Bum cream, but the price point for me is just like not something I can justify very often. I like to buy them during the holidays when they do the gift sets, but I've been wanting to try this scent, Beija Flor Elastic Cream. It smells really interesting. I feel like it's a very, you either love it or hate it scent, which is why I highly encourage you to go try it at Sephora before purchasing it. But I got the full size from Amazon. It smells good. I've noticed like a big difference on my KP because this has retinol. Oh no, it doesn't. It says enriched with retinol mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. Interesting. So I'm assuming this is pregnancy safe, which is interesting because I don't think retinol is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, the point is I've been noticing a huge difference with my KP and my arms and the texture in general. And it must be this plus the body washes I've been using that I talked about. But is this worth $48? I'm gonna be super honest. I don't think so. Who is shocked that this turned into a very long-winded moment? Not me, not me. Anyway, that is everything for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you're shopping for. I kind of want to do an Amazon summer must-haves with like swimsuits, cover-ups, things for Olivia, pools, beach chairs, beach essentials. I don't know, something like that. Let me know if you want me to kind of separate them and do a try-on haul and then do like a summer essentials of things. I'll do like swimsuits and clothes in one and then I'll do the things in the other, or if I should just mix them up and then maybe like separate the toddler things. Let me know what you think. Hopefully that makes sense because apparently I can't explain myself or talk. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.